Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming a Sephora haul. The air is on and off in the background, so sorry if you can hear that, but there's not much I can do about the air conditioning. That said, before we get into the haul, let's talk about what's on my lips. I am wearing the Medusa's makeup lipstick in Tamed that just came, and it is so different than I thought it would be when I first swatched it. There's actually an iridescence to it, which is kind of interesting and actually just further points to the 90s inspiration in this color. But I think it's pretty cool. I like it. I think it looks good. I think this would look good on a lot of skin tones too. From paler than me to much darker than me. Like, I think this would look good on a lot of people. I'm quite a fan of this. So that is that. And that's the only product I've used today, so we don't have to keep talking about that. But I did use a product from this haul, so once we get there I will talk about that. But I want to start with hair, because obviously I've been doing a lot to my hair. As you can tell, it's quite a bit pinker, and I've got new glitter bits in it too, if you can catch the shine there. So yeah, I've just been messing with the color and it's been a lot of fun, but obviously that requires bleaching. So I've been going through conditioners and deep conditioners, so I decided to stock up on a bunch because I needed some other stuff anyway. I'm on the tail end of my shampoo and conditioner right now, so I decided to buy 2 new ones. And while I love Briogeo, I also wanted to try out Verb. I had gotten a sample of the Verb, a shampoo and conditioner a long time ago, like probably sometime last year, and I really enjoyed it, so I wanted to give these a try. I got the hydrating conditioner and the hydrating shampoo, so these will be going in the shower once I'm done with my Briogeo set. Along with that, I also purchased Verb's hydrating mask because, you know, got the other 2, might as well try this one. And I got 3 masks from Briogeo. So I got the one that I've already had before, the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, because I liked it, so I'm gonna get that one again, obviously. And then I also got the Curl Charisma Mask. I've tried other Curl Charisma products, but not this one, so why not? I didn't like the shampoo and conditioner from the Curl Charisma line. They're not ones I would repurchase. There are styling products that I have that I'm not like deep into. I'm just finishing other stuff up yet, so I can't really give a thorough review of those, but I'm interested in the deep conditioner. And then I also purchased their Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. This is like their quote-unquote green line. It's packaged in green. It's in a green tub. I think it's supposed to be like, I don't know, give you nature essence type of inspiration, but it's another hair mask, and it's in a slightly different container, which, I don't know, I feel like that's unnecessary. It could have been in the same one of these containers with green writing to allude to avocado, but that has nothing to do with the product itself, so I got that one too, because why not? Get them all and try them all. I've been going through so much deep conditioner that it is wild, so might as well get a bunch. I think that's all the hair products, at least before we get to point perks and stuff. The other shower type product I purchased is from First Aid Beauty. It's the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It's the one I have in the shower right now. It is on the low end, so it's going to be running out soon, so I figured I'd get another one. Just because I was already shopping, I figured I'd stock up. So while we are still in the shower region, I guess let me go ahead and talk about this point perk. I used my points to get this item. This is the K18 Biomimetic, I don't know, hair science. It's their leave-in molecular hair repair mask. So I figured might as well get another mask. I'm going through them. So I used my points to get that. I used the coupon code to get this. It is the First Aid Beauty Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. I've never tried this from them, so why not? And they left out my free samples for some reason. I think it was supposed to be like one of those beauty supplement things, and then something else. I don't even remember what the second one was, to be honest, but they didn't send me any samples, which was strange. But oh well, I just have no samples to share. But anyway, let's go to more of the makeup end of things. So I did get a couple of items, and the first one I'm going to talk about I'm actually wearing. So I got the Ilia C Beyond Triple Serum SPF 40, which is the hot new thing and is crazy expensive, which is basically what I've been hearing from everyone. But I like my other Ilia product, the Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. And I really enjoy this product, so I thought, well, I'm going to give this one a try, even though everyone's saying it's just kind of overpriced. And, well, as you can see, it doesn't have very dark coverage or very deep coverage. It's very, very much on the light end. It's a tinted moisturizer at best. And it's probably less coverage than this one. So keep that in mind if you want light coverage, but you actually want a little light coverage, because even though this comes out colored, and when it comes out, it's maybe even a pinch dark for me, but when you blend it in, it's kind of like nothing's there. It does even a little bit, but it's not a lot of coverage, to be completely honest. So I could see why people aren't so fond of this. I think it feels great. The texture feels wonderful. It does feel really nice on the skin. It leaves a dewy finish, so if you're oily, I would say avoid it completely. But if you are dry to normal skin, I don't think the finish is something to keep you away from it. But I agree with most people that it's really overpriced. $60 some for this is a little exorbitant, honestly. Maybe if it was in the 40 something range, I'd feel like a little better about it. I'm not going to send it back. I am okay with keeping it, but it is a little pricey. I would say for getting the same exact SPF, just go with this one. I understand there's different ingredients. So this one's got niacinamide, squalene, and hyaluronic acid, whereas this one has vitamin C, niacinamide, and allotonin? I don't know how to pronounce that word. But this one's going to give you more coverage, even though it's still extremely light coverage. So just go with this one if you're going to pick one of the two. Now, this is my first time wearing it. I might change my mind. I might learn to love it or learn to hate it. So I'll definitely update you guys on that at some point. But as of right now, I like it, but I just don't think it's worth the price. And I will say, I applied it with this brush at first. This is what I've just been using lately for all my light tinted stuff, because it just spreads it out nicely, doesn't leave it streaky. And it was very, very sheer, so I decided to slap it on the fingers a little. Using your hands does give a slightly more coverage finish. I'm not using English very well today. It does leave the finish slightly more opaque, even though it's still very, very light. But I don't know, I would use this since it's super light either way. It's not really noticeably different. And why bother getting your fingers dirty if it's not going to look all that different? So I can't speak for sponges. I'm not a sponge person. I don't enjoy them. I don't like the way they leave finishes on my face, so I can't really speak for that. And then another tinted moisturizer slash light coverage foundation product. I got the Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation. I got it in 20N light neutral. Oh, I don't think I mentioned what I got this in. It's tone 1. There's only a handful of tones, I think. This doesn't come in a lot of colors, I don't think. So, yeah. But I got this in the light natural, not light neutral. And I haven't tried it yet. So hopefully it's a good color match. You know what, why don't we just take it out and color match it right now. Okay, so I could put a little on my hand there. Blend it out a little. This might actually be a pinch too dark for me, honestly. Looking at it on my hand. I don't know if you'll really be able to tell on camera because I'm fair and it's fair, but it does seem a little dark. I'll obviously try it on my face as well, but as of right now, it might need to go back and get switched for a different color. But I'll give it a try on my face before I really make that call. Next, I purchased 3 mascaras, 2 of them because they were on sale. I went through the clearance section because why not, and just found some interesting things, and 1 because it was something I actually have been wanting to purchase full size of. So let's go through my sale ones first. I got the Bite Beauty Upswing Full Volume Mascara, and actually I won't take it out because there is a picture of the brush on the back. So I literally only bought this because it was on sale and it said it was vegan, so yeah. And another one I purchased was the Tartelette tubing mascara. I don't remember if this was on sale or not, but the tubing part was very interesting to me because I really liked the Thrive Cosmetics one up until it gets kind of old and then it just starts kind of being clumpy, but like the tubing and the easy removal of that is just really nice. So I thought I'd try another one just because I haven't felt the need to buy the Thrive Cosmetics one again, just because it'd be a lot easier if it was on Sephora or like maybe even Ulta and I could buy it in a bigger haul of things, but like it's the only thing I want from the website, so I procrastinate rebuying things like that. But anyway, I'm gonna try this tubing one from Tarte, and then the one that I have been wanting to buy a full size of is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal in black. I've had this before in a sample size and loved it, so I just wanted to get my hands on the full size because I was really a big fan of it. I also picked up a couple other Rare Beauty products, and the 2 of these I'd actually seen in a rave review in some like Instagram Reels video, and I went down a rabbit hole. I don't even remember the girl's name, but she had tons and tons of just like straight reviews, and she had mentioned these 2 brushes from Rare Beauty, so I thought I'd purchase them because I've been interested in trying more things from the brand since I love the mascara, but I've heard mixed reviews on some of the makeup products, so I thought let's go with something a little more reliable, like a brush. So this is the Liquid Touch Pinceau. I don't know. These are words I can't pronounce. Oh, Liquid Touch. It would be helpful if I was reading the English side, wouldn't it be? Liquid Touch Brush Foundation. So it's taped on both ends. 10 years later, I now have the brush out of all of the layers of packaging. So here we go. Here is the foundation brush. It's really beautiful. It's got a really nice handle. It feels weighted really nicely. The ferrule here is really beautifully designed, and the brush itself is super soft. So I'm excited to give this a try. I actually think because of how densely this is packed, it's going to function a lot like my little paddle brush, which I absolutely love. So this is really cool. I also picked up the Liquid Touch brush for the concealer. So here is the concealer brush, and it is nearly identical in design, just smaller. The head's just smaller. It's densely packed. It feels really soft. I can't wait to give this a try as well. I have been using kind of more like this painterly style of brush. I don't know exactly what you would even call this. This is like a million-year-old Sonia Kashuk one. So I'm excited to give this style a try. And lastly, this is a Tarte brush that I purchased once again because it was on sale. I really like Tarte brushes. I only have a few, but every one of them I really like. So this is the Found Sealer brush, and I actually have the Found Sealer foundation. I don't know if they still make that or not, because the one I have is a million years old, because I only use it like on rare occasions since I don't actually need tons of coverage most of the time. But it is a really nice foundation. So this one has a really pretty tropical leafy handle, lovely gold ferrule, and then tightly packed, densely packed bristles, super soft head. This is just, can you tell I like densely packed brushes for application of foundation? Just really nice. So I can't wait to give this a try too. These brushes are all really, really nice and seem like they're going to be super good. I love the feel of the Rare Beauty ones. Like whatever finish of paint this is, it feels really good in the hand, honestly. So I'm excited about these. So that is everything I have to share with you guys in today's haul video. This is actually quite a large Sephora haul for me, but for the most part, it's all things that I'm just regularly using and going through. Shampoos, deep conditioners, body scrub. Mascaras. I've got 2 mascaras open right now I'm going through. That's actually something I wanted to mention too. I'm using the 100% Pure Mascara. Volumize. It's hard to read the packaging with it being so metallic, but I know this came in one of my boxes a long time ago and I'm using it today. So far, so good. Makes the lashes really long, nice separated, really pretty. I can't speak as to how it wears because obviously I just put it on like a half an hour ago, but I'll keep an update. You'll see this in a future empties video, see how I like it. Anyway, that's everything I have to share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, check out my Instagrams, check out Amandaphenomenon.com, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!